Good morning, students. Today is our first online class of computer for class 5. Our first chapter is Evolution of Computers. Students, evolution. What is the meaning of evolution? Evolution means the gradual development of something. The term computer is derived from the word compute, which means to calculate. The computers are versatile calculating machines that can handle different tasks at the same time. Computer is a calculating versatile machine that can handle different tasks at the same time. It means you can calculate, you can solve your problems of maths, you can listen music, you can draw. All this works you can do at the same time. Computer can handle different tasks at the same time. Students, our first topic is history of computer. Students, development of computer, it's a very long story. So, let us start the history of computer. Computers truly came into their own as great invention in the last 2 decades of 20th century. But their history stretches back more than 5,000 years to the abacus. It means history starts from abacus. Now let us study about abacus. What is abacus and how it works? Abacus is a simple calculator made from beads and wires, which is still used in some parts of the world. One of the earliest machines designed to assist people in calculating was the abacus. It means students, with the help of abacus, peoples do calculating. In the image you can see here, this is the image of abacus. You can see here, this is our abacus. This is our abacus where my mouse pointer is there. This is the image of abacus you can see here. Students, do you know who is the father of computer? Students, Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. You can see here, this is the image of Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Charles Babbage invented in 1830s a difference engine made out of brass and gears, and also designed a further device which he called an analytical engine. In 1830, Charles Babbage designed a difference engine, and he also designed a more device that is called analytical engine. Now let us see about analytical engine. Students, analytical engine contained the 5 key characteristics of modern computers. First, it also takes input device. It has storage for numbers waiting to be processed, and a processor or number calculator. It also have, and a unit to control the task, and it also give an output. You can see in this image, this is the image of analytical engine which was developed by Charles Babbage. It means Charles Babbage developed the analytical engine first. Now students, let's start generation of computers. Generation in computer terminology is a change in technology. A computer was being used. Initially, the term generation was used to distinguish between varying hardware technologies, but nowadays generation includes both hardware and software, which together make up an entire computer system. Students, generally speaking, computers can be classified into 5 generations, and each generation lasted for a certain period of time, and each gave us either a new and improved computers or an improvement to the existing computers. Now let us start with first generation of computer. First generation of computer. The period time of first generation computer is 1946 to 1959. The period of the first generation is 1946 to 1959. The computers of first generation used vacuum tubes as the basic component for the memory and circuitry for CPU. Here CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. In the first generation we use vacuum tubes, and these tubes like electric bulbs. These tubes looks like electric bulb and produced a lot of heat and were put to frequent fusing of the installation. Therefore were very expensive and could be affordable only by very large organization. Means this first generation is very costly and it can be affordable only for large organizations. Students, you can see here in the image, this is the image of first generation of computer. You can see here, this is the image of first generation of computer. The main features of first generation computers are, first one is vacuum tube technology. It means in the first generation of computer we used vacuum tubes, and it is still very costly. AC is also needed because it's generate lots of heat. Due to generation of lots of heats, AC is also needed, and slow input and output. And the last is support machine language only. It means the first generation of computer supports only machine language. And we have some first generation of computer that are ENIAC, EDVIC, UNIVAC, IBM 701, IBM 650, and the ENIAC was the first invented in the University of Panacea and began constructed in 1943 and was not completed until 1946. It occupied about 1800 square feet and used about 18,000 vacuum tubes, and due to this the weight almost about 50 tons. You can see in this image, this is the image of first generation of computer. Students, in next video we will discuss about other generations of computer. I hope you understand this video. Thank you and have a nice day.